If you're looking for a powerful free AI video generator that actually works, you've come to the right place. I've put together a list of 4 AI video generators that are genuinely worth talking about. These are tools you can use to create videos, even longer ones, without paying a single dollar or buying a premium plan. In the crowded AI market, where a lot of tools are basically clickbait, I spent hours testing dozens of different platforms. The result is these 4 AI video generators, and every video you're seeing on screen was created with them. I genuinely recommend trying these tools sooner rather than later, because the AI world is changing incredibly fast, and their free plans could become more limited or even disappear in the near future. There's a very good chance that one of these 4 AI tools is exactly what you've been looking for. The last one is the best choice for creating highly cinematic scenes, so stick around until the end of the tutorial. I'm Iman, and welcome to Iman Global. The first AI tool comes from the developers at Meta. One important thing to know is that Meta has moved its video generation capabilities to its new platform called Vibes. In the bottom left corner, click Login. Under Email Login, I'll enter my Gmail address, and an activation code will also be sent to my Gmail. Keep in mind that this platform is extremely sensitive to your location. If you run into that issue, location-changing tools are the only thing that will work. To get started, I'll click New Project. I'll enter a name for the project, and this takes us into the workspace. The first feature we're going to test inside this AI video generator is Image to Video. There's a prompt box at the bottom. I'll activate the video option, then click Start and End Frame. For this example, we're only using the start frame. In the new window, click Upload. I'll drag and drop an image of a static character from my hard drive into this box, then hit Upload. Select the image and click Add to Video. Its thumbnail is added to the prompt box. At this point, all you need to do is describe the movement or action you want to happen in the video inside the prompt. Under Advanced, make sure the video resolution is set to 720p. After that, I'll hit Generate. After a brief wait, the outputs are ready, and we can check them out. You'll find the download option in the upper right corner of each video frame. You can also click the image you uploaded inside the workspace. A new page opens with an interesting option called Auto Animate. I'll click it. This method eliminates the need to write a prompt because the AI chooses the appropriate movement for the image on its own. The result is a static image turned into an animated video. The image to video process and the animation of the static image turned out really well, but the video is only 5 seconds long. If you look in the upper right corner, there are 2 extend options. For this example, we'll use Auto Extend. The new video is ready. The length goes from 5 seconds to 9 seconds without making the movement look artificial. It feels like the video was 9 seconds long from the very beginning. You can repeat the same process again and make the video even longer. With this method, you can create long-form videos with this AI tool. Let's move on to text-to-video with Vibes AI. At the moment, this method only supports a vertical aspect ratio, which makes it suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and other mobile platforms. In the prompt box, click Video. I've already prepared a prompt, and I'll paste it in. The one important thing is under Advanced. Set the video resolution to 720p, then hit Generate. After a short processing time, 4 videos are generated in a 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Let's take a look at them. The text-to-video process followed my idea really well. My prompt was designed to generate a scene featuring a Northern European woman, and as you can see, the result came out really well. The download option is also available in the upper right corner. The second option is Symphony, from the developers of TikTok. It offers text-to-video, image-to-video, and AI avatars, and it's especially useful for vertical content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Click Login in the upper right corner. I'll use my Google account and get in with just a few clicks. As soon as you sign in, you receive 1,000 tokens as a gift. They recharge weekly, and those tokens can be used to create up to 200 free videos. From the left side menu, click Create. The prompt box is at the bottom of the screen. By default, the Video tab is active, along with reference to video. Switch that to text to video. Enter your prompt in the box. You can choose a video duration from 5 to 12 seconds. We'll set it to 5 seconds for this test. This process costs 5 tokens. I'll hit Generate. It takes only a short time to produce the video. Let's check out the text-to-video result together. The prompt idea was a beautiful young woman standing beside the sea, and it was generated really well. I'll also click the download button in the lower right corner. The next part is the text-to-image process. I'll activate the image tab and enter my idea for the image in the box. The image model is set to Nano Banana, and Flux Context Max is also available in this list. Image generation doesn't use any tokens at all, so it's completely free. I'll hit generate, and after a really short wait, the images are ready. Let's take a look through the text-to-image results. Once you've created an image, you can bring that static image to life using the image-to-video process. Move your mouse over the image you want, and you'll see the Generate Video option. Click it. The image is added to the prompt box as a reference and first frame, with its thumbnail displayed as well. Enter your idea for animating the image into the prompt box. Choose the video duration and hit Generate. After a short wait, the image-to-video result is ready. Take a look at the videos I generated using this method as well. Another exciting feature on this platform is the AI Avatar section. To use it, go to Tools from the left side menu and select VoiceOver Avatar. A large list of interesting avatars appears. You can filter this list based on the pose you want, age, gender, or even the type of background. Pick the avatar you want from this large selection. After selecting your avatar, click Continue. This takes you into the Add VoiceOver section. Enter the text you want the avatar to say in the script field. Under Audio Setting, you can adjust the narrator's speaking speed as well as the volume. After that, move into Select a Voice. This section gives you filters for language, accent, age, and gender. I'll set the avatar's language to English. For the narrator's age, I'll choose young, and gender goes to female. A list of voices compatible with those filters appears. Pick whichever voice you want to deliver your promotional text, then hit Generate. After a short wait, the talking avatar video is generated using the same script and settings. From the library section, you can play or download the file.
Creating an avatar with TikTok Symphony is simple, takes just a few clicks, and is completely free.
With this method, you can deliver your own messages using an AI avatar without spending any money and without needing to shoot real footage. The third AI tool in this tutorial is Flow, but hang on, please don't say, "I know this one," and skip ahead. I want to do something pretty cool with it. Click Create with Google Flow and sign in with a Gmail account. After that, click New Project. The first thing I'll do is disable the agent section inside Flow's prompt box. I'll paste in the prompt and switch Flow to image generation. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a cinematic format and a horizontal platform like YouTube. I'll use Nano Banana 2 as the image model. For the number of outputs, I'll choose 4. Click Generate. Image generation is completely free. I'll wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our image has been created. Let's look through the results. It's a mysterious castle caught in a massive fire. The first image I'm interested in, which will be the starting image for the animation, gets dragged and dropped into Flow's input area. Once it's added, I'll put the video prompt into the box. Select Create Video. Aspect ratio is already set to 16:9. I'll choose the Omni Flash video model, which is Google's newest video generation model. Video duration goes to 8 seconds, and I'll reduce the number of outputs to 1. Hit Generate, and that's it. 12 tokens are deducted, and after a very short wait, our video is ready. You're looking at an aerial shot of an incredible castle that's on fire, and it looks like it came straight out of a Hollywood movie. Using this same method, you can create all kinds of cinematic animations and videos. At the time of recording this tutorial in August 2026, as you can see, I created both images and videos with these AI tools, and all of them are live proof that these platforms are free. But they aren't free forever. Their plans could become paid tomorrow. The last tool I want to show you is Arena. In the bottom left corner, click Login. You can easily sign in with your personal email or a Google account. From the left side menu, click Text to Video. This platform gives us free, but limited, access to premium models such as Cdance 2.0 and Gemini Omni Flash. Click New Chat. In the prompt box, select Generate Video. I'll add a prompt and hit Generate. Arena randomly runs 2 models from that list for free. After a short processing time, the video is ready. Let's see it. It's an industrial robotic eagle with realistic movements. This video is amazing. At the moment, Arena gives us only 2 or 3 video generations per day at best, but at least one of those generations is processed by one of the powerful premium models. That makes Arena a better choice for creating one very important clip, while relying on the other tools for the rest of your videos. One last thing before you go. If something doesn't work, there are usually 3 reasons. Your country may be restricted, change your location. A generation may fail because of server traffic, just resend the request. Or your prompt may contain restricted words or topics, remove the flagged word and try again. Keep these 3 things in mind, and it should work for you just like it did for me. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe to Amon Global for more powerful AI tools and tutorials. And don't stop here, check out my next tutorial on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.